Hello guys, now we're going to estimate the number of studs per lineal foot of wall. A lot of people like using this method of estimating, but as you'll see, we'll have differences in numbers. For example, that 30-foot wall that we're talking about again, if I'm saying I have a 30-foot wall, and like I was mentioning over here, 1 foot equals 1 lineal feet. So if I have 30 feet, that's going to equal to 30 lineal feet, which is basically the number of studs needed. Some people here like to also add percentages for the openings, but I'll go ahead and make another video and show you more exactly how to calculate those numbers.